Hey, it's Tanya here. This video you're about to see is one that I copied over from Facebook. So it was pre-recorded. For the sake of this video, pretend this glass jar is made of clay. Sometimes you need to strengthen two joints, especially in the corner of like a box. And you can't get it, it's quite narrow and you can't get deep into the box. A good way to help you with that is to make yourself a little coil, sausage, wet it, and then stick it along the end of a paintbrush or a skewer stick. So as you can see, it's stuck, so I don't need to touch it anymore, and I can go deep inside the piece, and then you'll push it against your two corners. Okay, battling with this glass, but it'll go deep inside where you can't reach. The stick will help you do that to strengthen two corners of a box. Hope that helps. Well, if you enjoyed that video and you feel like you learned something from it and you got something out of it, please continue to follow, like, comment, nice comments, subscribe, the whole toot. I really would love you on this journey with me. We are learning things. I think you're learning from it. I hope you're learning from it. And I really am enjoying sharing. So let's continue doing this, and thank you for the constant support. I really do appreciate it. Till the next one. Cheers.